fishing his favorite lake today. It's a private pond. Well, you can see it's been a lot of rain. Hurricane came through here. The grass is high. Noe's been back here, so give it a shot. One cast with the worm, and that was it. So I guess the worm is going to be the thing today, I hope. What is this? Is it a bass? Yep. Skinny guy. A little guy, but not too bad. So my favorite June bug finesse worm. Yep, I think the worm is going to be it today. Well, at least I didn't get skunked. Okay, this is when, well, you can see it, or maybe you can't see it, but there it is right there. So turn sideways a little bit. This dock is about a foot underwater. This lake has always been low. Well, years ago it was low. Probably when they built the deck, or the dock. And now they have a deck too. I'm actually gonna, I got the rudder down. This is new. This was last year. This was not underwater. I don't know if you can see that. I'm floating right over the dock. This is incredible. Hurricane Ian dumped a lot of rain up here, and this lake is still not. There's no drain. There's no stream out of this lake, so I guess the aquifer is pretty high. The water isn't going anywhere. This felt good. I don't know what we got here. Is it a bass? Yeah, it's a nice one. Very good. Nice bass. Boy, they're hitting them hard today. Holy crap. That felt like it was about a 10-pounder. I switched to a watermelon red flake Senko or Yumdinger. Same thing. Can't find, well, I'll try this for a while. I think I have some. Maybe I forgot to bring them. We have some June bug Yumdingers. We'll see. Oh, another one. Oh, that's a nice one. Another bass. All right. looks like a keeper. Here we go. So I have two sets of fishing pliers and grippers, and I left both pairs in Delaware. So now I got to get a third pair. Nice fish. Let's see if it's a keeper. Yeah, just 12 inches. Little guy, right at the edge of that lily pad. That's maybe not so little. Yeah, he's little bass. Again, I switched over to this watermelon red flake. It's doing okay. Fished this for a while. And switch back to my favorite, which is June bug in this lake because it's so clear. It's a nice calm area because it's kind of protected from the wind by the shore is now curving to the northwest, and the wind's out of the north today. Well, just to show you how bizarre this is. I'm going to be able to make my way through here without having to go around. There's the dock right there. This is crazy. I'll show you the dock right there. This is all from Hurricane Ian. Still flooded. And this did not go overhead here either. Okay, I marked my watch. I set my watch on GPS mode to see how far I've paddled. It's halfway point. Turning around now, heading back. I'm not going to actually go probably as far on the way back because I'm going to skirt the shoreline. I'm going to be off the shoreline rather than up against it like I was on the way out, and in little coves and everything. I'm just going to pretty much head straight back. I have a feeling it's going to be at least a mile back. I'm not going to go straight across the lake. That would be about a mile. So we'll see. Stay tuned. I wonder if this is it. This might be it. I don't know. All right, got one in there. Got one in there. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. I'll take it. All right, calm down. Calm down. Oh shoot. These hooks good. Well, had to cut the hook on that one. So this is, I'm heading back toward where I just caught that last fish. I'm going to try fish. I think this might be the spot that I like. I wish I had my fish finder with me because it's marked, but I have the fish finder, but I didn't take the battery. I'm going to try fishing for some crappie along the shoreline with some other smaller lures. Stay tuned. Okay, I got another one. This is 6, I think. But these fish, they're not very big, but boy, they really, what's that, aggressive Florida bass. Little guy, but boy, they really fight. I switched over to this swim bait. Now that it's a little warmer. Herman told me about these on our Jersey camp fishing trip. Picked them up at Bass Pro, Cabelas. Oh, I got it. I got it. I still got it. Oh, I lost it. I lost it. It's 11:04 and heading straight back. It's hard to see, but right at 12 o'clock is where I parked. I don't know if you could see that. And I'm going across the lake with a northerly wind, so I got a little bit of a tailwind. My pace is 25, 55, so it's a little over 2 miles an hour. This pedal kayak is not good for paddling. It's got too much drag. But I forgot to take the pedal drive, but I am wasn't too disappointed because I really don't need it in this lake. Except when you want to cover a lot of ground. It's about a mile across. And I pretty much went a mile across. So it should take me a little less than a half an hour to paddle all the way back. I caught 604. I'm going to fish a little bit more around where I launched. And maybe I'll wind up with 7 or 8. Let's hope. Stay tuned. Area before, and I didn't get a hit, but this is an area that I like. And when I fished it, it was very early in the morning. Well, not very early, but I'm going to try now before heading back. We're very close to the ramp to launch, and see if I can at least catch one in here, because this is usually a good spot. But these Florida bass, although they fight hard, they don't like cold water. And the water cooled down a little bit with the cold front that came through the other night. I don't know what the water temperature is. I didn't take the battery for my fish finder. So stay tuned, see if I catch something. Shoot. Okay, oh, I lost it. Again, I lost it. Darn it. Oh, good, another bass. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice one. Crap it. There you go. Nice little fish. I picked up somebody else's line. Look at that. Sure it's not mine I'm cutting here. I'll leave a link below to this knife. It's one of my favorites. It's actually very inexpensive. I got it on Amazon. Well, the first time I bought it was at Blade HQ, and then I lost it. And Blade HQ didn't have it anymore, but Amazon had it for a little more, but still very inexpensive. Okay, let's try some more. Okay, overall I had a great day, and I caught 7 bass. I caught them on a watermelon red flake yum dinger, a plum finesse worm, and then a small swim bait from Cabelas. And they were hitting the worms in the morning, and then the swim bait when it warmed up later in the afternoon. So it was good to be back in Florida, fishing for the Florida strain bass. I got here 2 days ago before making this video or going on this trip, and hope to do more fishing, so stay tuned.